it's time for a little bit of a comparison between the Meridian 506 and my Bang & Olufsen 9000 CD player. And let's add this as well, a Bose Lifestyle. Third place, it has to be the Bose Samsung combination. While it can play CDs just fine, there isn't a lot of richness and detail. The Meridian and the Bang & Olufsen, however, are far more closely matched. However, the Meridian does have the edge with more detail in its sound. Everything sounds richer and you can hear parts of the song that you may not have heard before. It's like listening to it for the first time.